Good day, grade 7. For today's video, I am going to guide you in answering your activity 2 entitled More on Conversions. So, before we proceed to our first example, we have to keep in mind these units of length. 12 inches is equivalent to 1 foot, 3 feet is equivalent to 1 yard, 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile. So convert 12 feet into yards. So the first step is we need to write 12 feet since it is the given multiplied by. Okay, so we have there the units of length. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So feet is in the denominator and then yard should be in the numerator. So multiplied by 1 yard all over 3 feet. Cancel out the unit feet. So 12 times 1 is 12. All over 3 or divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. We came up with the answer 4 yards. Okay, so we have here next example. Convert 10 miles into inches. So we need to write 10 miles as it is in the given multiplied by, just take a look at the units of length. So the highlighted there is 5,280 feet is equivalent to 1 mile. Again, mile should be in the denominator and 5,280 feet should be in the numerator. Cancelled out miles. Again, so we have there feet. Are we going to stop or not yet? Not yet. So we need to get the inches unit, not feet. So we need to find out what would be the next step. So the highlighted there is 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So again, the unit feet must be in the denominator, yard must be in the numerator. So 1 yard all over 3 feet. Cancelled out feet. So we came up with the unit yard. Again, we're not going to stop yet. We need to find out inches into yards. So we have there the units of length. 36 inches is equal to 1 yard. So yard must be in the denominator. Inches must be in the numerator. To cancel out yard. Cancel out the unit yards. So 10 multiplied by 5,280 times 1 times 36. And then we need also to multiply the denominator 1 times 3 times 1. So we came up with the answer 2,471,040 divided by 3. Then the final answer is 823,680 inches. Did you get it? How about this next example? Convert 26 cups into fluid ounces. 26 cups. So we have there the units of capacity. 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. So cup must be in the denominator. Fluid ounces must be in the numerator. Cancelled out cups. 26 times 8. So the answer is 208 divided by 1. So the answer must be 208 fluid ounces. Don't forget the right of the unit. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you!